press-on nail haul from Salon Perfect. I am obsessed. It's gorgeous, honey. And for $7. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I talk about fashion, press-on nails, and a little bit of lifestyle. This video is a press-on nail haul from Salon Perfect. I saw these nails in Walmart and could not just choose one. So I was like, let me just do a haul of them all, honey, okay? I fell in love with this nail brand. I don't know if I had never seen them before. I don't know if I wasn't looking for them before or what, but I fell in love. So we're going to get into it because I have not opened the packages to see like really what is giving or not giving. But just from the outside, I was like, I am obsessed. Per usual, I'll be sure to leave all the links in the description box below. And I'll let you know if they're giving or not for the price point, what the thickness is, and if the design is living up to really what the price point is giving. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, these nails are between like $6 and $7. So I really think that they're going to be living up to what the price point is because the designs are cute. And be sure to comment down below what your favorite nail set is from this video. Without further ado, let's get into this haul. Hey y'all, real quick, a little disclaimer. So I found out after I recorded this video that you really shouldn't put a top coat on these. They kind of ruin the nails. I would take like a nail that's not your size and kind of test it out just to be sure, to make sure that like your set can't take a top coat. And if the one that is not your size is good after you do the top coat, then I think you should be good to go with a top coat. But try at your own risk, okay? First up, this set I actually featured in my Walmart press-on nail haul video. But these are the Salon Perfect magnetic press-on nails, and they were $7. So these are a cat eye. Obsessed. Per usual, you know I love me a good cat eye, honey. And if I could wear them every day, I would. Anyways, these are cute. Especially for $7, you get a cat eye nail. Like, come on now. They have instructions on the back of how to apply them. It's going to give you the nail file and some nail glue. That's it. For $6, what do you expect? You're not going to get the whole kit and caboodle, honey, okay? But they do put the nails in this little baggie, which I appreciate because if I want to reuse them, I can just put them in this baggie, store them away versus having to store all this packaging, okay? The least amount of things that I need to store, the better. The design is really nice. I am obsessed. Like I said, I love me a good cat eye. They took their time with this. Not that it takes like a whole lot of time. I've seen some other cat eye just look like, doop, we just went, doop, and that was it. And this, like, it's almost in like a U shape. It's gorgeous. This like nudish color with this silvery kind of cat eye. I'm obsessed. Now the nail is like a medium thickness, okay? It's a little bendable by the cuticle. Not a little, it's bendable by the cuticle, okay? And the tip is pretty sturdy though. I don't think that it's going to break. I did bend one of these nails by mistake a little too much, okay? But that's good if you need to like mold it to your nail. Okay, this is going to be like an almond shape. These are cute. For $7, this is a great nail, especially if you need to be like a little corporate baddie or something like that and you need a neutral kind of situation, even if you don't, honey, okay? I'm obsessed with these nails and I don't need a neutral nail. So these are cute. It's just easy throw and go. It will go with everything in your wardrobe, honey, okay? And this is a good amount of glue, honey. Thank you, Salon Perfect. Next up, these are the Aurora nails, and they were $7. Now, when I tell you, these are the nails that got the whole thing started, okay? I think I saw these nails first and was like, wait a freaking minute. These are gorgeous. So when I saw these, I was like, well, what else they got over here with the Salon Perfect? And found all these other nails. I was like, these are gorge, okay? And I didn't want to put too many in the Walmart nail haul, so I was like, we're just going to do a separate nail haul with the Salon Perfect because they're just that perfect. Anyways, what got me about these nails is they're kind of like a velvety kind of texture to it. It seems like they're a matte nail, but it almost seems like there's like a top coat or something on this between the polish and the top part of the nail. It gives dimension, honey, where I have never seen a $7 nail give. Okay, now that I've taken them out of the packaging, are they giving as much dimension as they were in the packaging? No. The design is a little like spotty. You know, it's kind of like that newspaper print that I've talked about before. It's still very pretty. I definitely think you'll need a top coat on this. Now, the nail is this blue color through and through. This matte kind of finish is really nice. Again, it's giving almost like that velvet texture. This is nice, honey. Again, same thickness as the other ones, about a medium thickness. The tips are thicker than the cuticle, of course. These are going to be a semi-translucent nail, so you're probably going to see that glue through. I'm talking really fast. What's going on? Calm down, Raven. Anyways, next up, these are the modern French nail set, and they were $6. The design is really cute though, because none of these nails here are the same, which I like, because it's giving that, like, at least you're gonna have 5 different designs on the nails. The base of the nail is really nice. It's giving kind of like negative space nail. It's not too pink. It's a good nudish color. Now, there's some kind of something on this nail. This one seems thicker than the other ones. Okay. This is going to be like a coffin shaped nail. I like these because these are thick, honey. Barely bendable. It is kind of ombre, but I don't think that you'll see the glue underneath. It's pretty opaque, but this is cute. This is a good little design. I like this. Let me see what the front is giving, if it's giving the same. Yeah, so some of them are pretty much going to be the same design, which, you know, I didn't think that you was going to get like 24 different designs on these nails. But these are cute. You are going to have to file it because there's a little bit of a tab here on the end. The white is nice and opaque. It's not translucent in any areas. The design goes from end to end, from top to tip, honey. There's some good stuff for $7, honey. Oh, wait, no, these are $6. For $6, they did that, honey, okay? At least with these, you kind of know what you're going to get. Now, they're not going to be the price of the Shein, but you'll know what you're going to get, and you can see it with your own eyes, okay? And it seems like they do a really good job with the printing of these nails. So you're not going to have anything like not going from end to end, top to tip, or anything like that. Any kind of like dulling or opacity issues on the sides. I like that Salon Perfect. I like it a lot. Next up, the Modern Nostalgia, and they were $7. Now, you know I had to give you some nail art, okay? Because they gave me some nail art, so I had to give you some nail art. These are cute. Perfect for the summer, perfect for the spring. This cute little like flower design. I love the color of this. This kind of like mint with this teal. It's really pretty. I feel like they put some thought into these designs, and I like that, okay? These nails seem a lot bigger than the other ones, honey, okay? I don't know why, but these seem like, I almost cursed. These seem like some big nails, okay? This is going to be an almond-shaped nail. This is kind of thin. This is kind of flexible. It's not super thin. I've seen some nails that are thinner than this, but this one is pretty flexible, even at the tip, so just be wary of that. Now, the design is really good. It does kind of make, of course, with the shape of the nails and things like that, the flowers are going to get a little distorted, of course, towards especially like the size of the nails. But these are really cute. I like these. I like these a lot. And I just noticed that the cuticle part gets a little bit thinner so that it can fit underneath your cuticle nicely. I like that. I like it a lot. It kind of like just dips down, just like slightly, not too much. But these are cute. I like this design. You get a little French tip. You get a little flower. This French tip is gorgeous too. I don't know who's printing y'all nails at y'all factory, but y'all need to get with some of these other nail places and be like, look, this is what y'all could do too, because y'all make it happen. Next up, these are the Pop Art 3D Artistry nails, and they were $7. These are cute, okay? Pop Art was really big, I want to say a couple years ago. You know what I'm saying? But if you're still into it, you can get these. When I tell you the printing on this is amazing, these nails are big too. I don't know. These nails are really big for some reason. Anyways, they got smaller nails in here too, but just some of these nails are really big. These are bendable. Probably about the same as the last pair. Is another almond shape. But when I tell you they line this nail to perfection, it goes to the end. Because y'all know sometimes it be a little off. It don't be all the way at the end of the nail, honey. They did that. And then they have this little white line. Opaque, honey. It's not like, you don't see none of that purple peeking through. The purple is gorgeous. Okay, it's kind of like this glittery color. It is pretty. I really like these. Okay, Salon Perfect. Y'all are doing a little something over there, and I like it. And for $7, y'all going to the Walmart. The only problem is, of course, Walmart, you just never know what's going to be in stock and whatnot, because it was literally like one of each of these at the store. Okay. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if y'all are selling out the Salon Perfect over at the Walmart, but it wasn't a lot in the Walmart that I go to. Next up, these are the Glazed Milky Pearlescent nails, and they were $7. These are pretty. If you were looking for a little dainty situation, honey, this is it. These are gorgeous. It definitely has like this pearlescent kind of finish to them. This would go perfect even what I got on right now. These are pretty. It's giving Barbie. It's giving feminine. It's giving I pay for nothing. Okay, these are cute. These are thicker than the last pair. They're still kind of bendable. So they're probably like the first pair. Because the tips are not bendable at all. These you're probably gonna have to file just a little bit because they're a little flat at the tip and they're supposed to be an almond. So you just want to shape that up a little bit. But these are a nice little length too. Not as short as the last couple of pairs. These is cute now. Okay, Salon Perfect. Doing a little something over there. Okay, we're not giving us a little short nub. These are pretty. It's very like soft, dainty. This is a gorgeous nail, honey. Beautiful. Okay, Glazed. Come on, Salon Perfect. I'm gonna have to email y'all. Get on the PR list or something because these is cute. This is the first time I've really liked most of the nails. I'm very surprised. I spent my own money on these, y'all. So this was not sent to me or nothing like that. I spent my own coins on these nails. And y'all know, even if I didn't, I'm going to tell y'all what the tea is. Okay? If they're good or not. Next up, these are the Pearl Collection embellished nails and they were $7. Okay? We're getting embellishments for $7. These are cute. Again, these are a good little neutral nail, honey. These would be good for a wedding. These would be good for a corporate baddie. Give you a little something, just a little touch. Now, these pearls are not centered. I'm going to let you know right now. Some of them are centered. Some of them is not. Some of them up. Some of them a little down. Some of them. So, just know that. Okay, Salon Perfect. These aren't perfect. They close. They do a good job of the nail bed color on these nails. Because sometimes it don't be right. This is a good color. Especially with this white, it's like a nice, good French tip. Because you know on a French tip, they normally paint your cuticle part pink anyways. And then do the little French tip. This is what this is giving. I like it. Y'all were thinking. And I'm here for it. Anyways, these are pretty thin. These are like the two nails before, not the last pair, the ones before that. Okay? The tips are kind of like a little stiff, but not too much. The pearl is on there. It ain't going nowhere at all whatsoever. These are nice. And this like peachy pink color for the nail bed. Really good. I like these. Salon Perfect. You're doing something. And I like it. I'm here for it. Very much so. Oh, and again, the design, the white is very opaque. It's going from end to end. There is no striation. It's very well done. And for the most part, it looks pretty centered on all of the nails. The only thing is, like I said, that pearl is going up, but it's very slight. It's not a lot. That is it. That is my entire Salon Perfect pressed on nail haul. How did y'all like the nails in this video? Clearly, I'm obsessed. Okay? Obsessed. Like, how did I not know about these nails? Why did y'all not tell me about these nails? I'm a little upset because y'all be telling me. Y'all be trying to put me on. And I feel like nobody told me about these nails because I would have been at the Walmart immediately. Doors open. I'm here to get these nails. Anyways, we will be reviewing more of these nails on the channel because now that they're on my radar, I'm going to be watching. I'm going to be looking for new styles. Like I said, I'm going to be contacting them because I need to be on the PR list. At this point, I am obsessed. Anyways, per usual, I'll be sure to link everything in this video in the description box below. And don't forget to tell me what your favorite nail set was from this video in the comments down below. Since you've made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, y'all, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.